Hi, Jamie from everyone. Hope you're all still well. With most companies now having all their staff working remotely, it can be harder than ever to make sure staff are mentally healthy and staying motivated and proactive during the days. Microsoft have got a tool called MyAnalytics that's part of the Office 365 and Microsoft 365 platforms. What this tool does is help staff and users with their focus and mental well-being, and also their collaboration and productivity. Once set up and enabled, this system will learn users' habits, trends, when they're in the system, when they're working on tasks, that kind of things, and the people they work with. And it'll send them either weekly or daily emails with hints and tips about how they can improve their work-life balance or their productivity while at work. This is then broken down into 4 key areas. The 4 areas are focus, well-being, network, and collaboration. Each one of these areas has a different focus, and for example, the focus element will help users to find time where they can focus on doing a certain task or a project rather than being constantly broken up. So it'll help users arrange and manage their time a bit better to give them that focus time in a consistent block. The well-being section focuses on mental health and gives staff insights into how much downtime they have, how often they pick up their devices outside of office hours and things like that. So it aims to give them a better work-life balance than they might currently have. The network and collaboration areas will help staff understand what collaboration time is spent and with who during a working week. So that could be colleagues, suppliers and clients. It'll help them try and organise their meetings a little bit more efficiently, or to have more people in one meeting, for example, to get more done. And it'll help try and streamline the amount of time it takes or the amount of people it takes to manage a task or a project. All these then help the user understand where the time's currently going each week, who it's spent with, how they can be more efficient with their time and focus, and how they can achieve a better work-life balance. As mentioned, this is something that's already freely included in the Microsoft 365 platform, so a lot of users already have this. It simply just needs to be turned on and configured for daily or weekly email digests, and then the staff will have access to their own dashboards as they get populated. With users now working remotely and it being harder to manage staff and users, it's a great time to turn this on and get it in use and help staff with their mental health and well-being during the remote working. If you've got any questions or you want some help setting this up, just reach out and ask me, and I'm happy to help. Thanks.